Hi guys, today we're unboxing and reviewing the Nexus 43 inches Google TV, a budget-friendly smart TV packed with features. Let's dive in and see what this TV has to offer. Here is the box, clean packaging with the Nexus branding. Let's open it and see what is inside. Inside we have got the TV itself neatly protected with foam, the power cable, remote control, batteries, user manual and the TV stands. Bringing it out, this is the Nexus 43-inch Google TV. Pretty solid for a mid-range TV. Fixing the leg is very simple, no stress at all. Just screw them in and you are good to go. Let's flip it to the back. Here is a closer look at the ports. We have got 2 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, LAN ports, optical audio output and aux input. Here we have all the accessories of the TV, the remote, the battery, screw and the legs. Now let's set it up. Powering it on first, you are greeted with the Nexus logo and then the Google TV animation. From here it asks for language and region, then how we want our TV to set up. You can use the Google setup, but for now we will go with the basic setup. You can connect your Wi-Fi and answer a few simple questions to personalize the TV experience. And boom, here is the Google home screen. Clean, smooth and easy to navigate. Let's go straight into the settings and change the picture mode. I usually prefer dynamic or vivid. It makes the color pop more, brighter white and deeper contrast. Perfect for watching movies or YouTube videos. Now let's connect to the internet and open YouTube. Playing a 4K video here. Wow, this is super clear. The colors are vibrant, the details are sharp, and motion handling looks great. One sweet thing about Google TV is that it comes with Bluetooth support. That means you can connect your soundbar, headphones and any wireless sound system for a better audio experience. So that is Nexus 43 inches Google TV. Simple setup, vibrant display, smooth interface and all the smart features you need in 2025. For the price, the quality is solid. If you're enjoying this unboxing and review, make sure you like the video. Subscribe to the channel, drop a comment if you did love to see more of this review like this. Thank you.